Is the Toyota Fortuner really as good as Magnet says it is?
You don't show us by money. You don't show us by money. GT6, Fortuner, 4x4, VX, switch machine. A few in Zambia.
Let's find out. Hey, what's up guys? Today I've got the keys to this 2021 Toyota Fortuner. So let's take a look at the Fortuner's features and everything you need to know before you buy one. Born from the DNA of the popular Toyota Hilux, the Fortuner has the same robust platform, engine options, and mechanical functions while embracing a very different personality. The body style is larger and more refined, with an enclosed cabin that makes it great for family use without compromising on reliability and off-road domination. This one is done in this very beautiful paint, which for some reason I can't find out what it's called, but I'm sure one of you guys will let me know in the comments. It's a VX model, so you get these unique taillights and headlights, and I don't know about you, but I love how these headlights flow seamlessly into the front bumper through this chrome trim piece. Something cool you might not know about the Fortuner is that the B, C, and D pillars are all black, giving it the signature floating roof design. For wheels, you get a silver set of 18-inch alloys which are fitted with all-terrain tires that give you a good balance of on-road comfort and off-road grip. Overall, I really love the Fortuner's design, which is sleek and aerodynamic and in some ways elegant. Stepping inside the Fortuner VX, you get a really nice premium interior with soft touch leather lining the center console. And I don't know if it's just me, but it looks like the designers tried to replicate the front grille design to make it work here on the center console. In some angles it does look like a bit much, but it's not a deal breaker. You get an 8-inch infotainment system with built-in navigation, and it uses both touch and buttons to access the different functions, but you also get a multifunction steering wheel which you can also use to navigate the infotainment system. There's a slot down here for your phone, 2 cup holders, deep storage under the armrest, storage up here that doubles as a chiller where you can keep 1 or 2 drinks to keep them cool on your long drive, and a glove box. Did I mention you get full leather seats up front? And the back seats are very comfortable. Even with the front seat reclining a little bit, you get enough legroom with the ability to also recline your back seat. And you also get AC controls for the rear. This one comes as a 7-seater but still has a lot of space in the back for you to pack your everyday carries and your heavy packing for your longer trips. Under the hood of the Fortuner is the robust and reliable 2.8 GD6 engine, which is a turbocharged 2.8-liter diesel, making just over 200 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque, driving the wheels through a 6-speed automatic transmission. This engine makes for a very good driving experience on road, being very smooth and quiet when you need it, but also very responsive when it's time to go. On this VX model, you get 3 driving modes, which are Sport, Normal, and Eco, and that mainly changes the behavior of your engine and transmission response while you're driving. You also get some electronic driver aids like lane keep assist and adaptive cruise control, which are very useful when you take long trips. And of course, if you decide to go off-road, this is a 4x4 model where you get a rear locking differential and electronically adjustable 4x4 modes for high and low settings. The Fortuner is definitely one of the best all-round vehicles you can buy, having a beautiful design with all the necessary features that you could want in an interior, and impressive off-road and on-road driving dynamics. Here's the current price, and let me know if the Fortuner is worth the money and the hype around it. And of course, remember to like and follow for more content like this.